What's up, guys? It's me, Geek. So the question is that what is the best way to start a e-commerce business? I'm relaxing in Rwanda, so my advice will be that first try to figure out what kind of e-commerce business are you going to start, such as you are going to sell like eBay or Amazon. You're just going to buy a product and sell it. If that is the case, I will recommend do not try to custom code. It's much better going with the Shopify. Shopify is the best solution which I can tell you, to be honest with you. I mean, I'm really being honest with you. Shopify is the best solution which you can go. $29 per month. There's nothing need to you need to get done. Everything is Bayanara awesome. I will recommend you the Shopify. But if we are asking me the e-commerce something like complex, some kind of Craigslist type, it's much better use PHP or Python to just to build a custom website. So hi Zara. Hi. So I will be telling you I use Shopify, which is the best solution for the website. To be honest with you, I will be recommending that. It's much better, to be honest with you. Again, Craigslist, go with the custom code. It was me. If you have any questions, check out the link in the description box. Bye.